Hi, my name is Dr. Hugh Thomas and I'm a lecturer in Work, Employment Organisation and Public Policy at the University of Bristol. I'm also the Programme Director for the Masters in Human Resource Management and Future of Work and overall lead for this course. This programme is taught by a number of leading academics in the fields of Human Resource Management, Industrial Relations, Sociology of Work, Political Economy and Social Sciences more generally. These lecturers are doing research at the UK level, Europe, locally, as well as globally. And it's this research-led teaching that is one of the unique selling points of this programme. This programme will appeal firstly to those who want to become HR managers, but also to people who want to become managers in other areas such as accounting or marketing, where an understanding of HR will be important to their role.
You can work in organizations such as public sector, government, in multinational organizations such as Amazon, Google, Apple, and you could also work with NGOs and in the third sector. It's limitless. You can use this degree to work in any organization, in any industry.
This intensive 12-month programme harnesses state-of-the-art pedagogical practices, including group work, presentations and innovative assessment, helping you develop new skills in terms of team working and communication skills needed in today's workplace.
We use diverse teaching approaches. We do the lectures, we do the small group tutorials as well. Also, we use case studies looking at employee relations and how employers partner with trade unions to resolve employee issues in different settings globally.
The programme as a whole looks at the future of work not as necessarily just a technological issue or an economic issue, but embeds that within an understanding of society, culture, geography and politics to explore how the futures of work are shaped by social relations at the level of the state, class relations, around gender and around race, and the assessments are going to give you quite a lot of independence really to follow your own interests and what you found particularly inspiring or challenging or interesting to engage with.
The future of work has become one of the most defining debates of our generation. The greening of our economy will create many jobs, but also displace many others. The digitalisation of work fosters greater connectivity, but left to its own device may widen inequality.
So the focus is going to be on thinking really critically about these issues around the future of work, not accepting necessarily the kind of mainstream or popular narrative about this, but allowing us to kind of break through the veneer to drill down into the underlying structural dynamics that are going to really determine what the future of work is and will be for all of us.
Simply put, the Masters in Human Resource Management and Future Work is about giving you the knowledge and intellectual abilities, as well as engagement and influence skills, to respond to and address some of the major challenges and opportunities facing the world of work.